is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. What I wanted to talk to you about today is being a koi pond builder. So what does that mean? What's the difference between being a koi pond builder and just being a landscaper? Well, we specialize in building ponds, and we actually have a master certification in pond building, and we're considered a master certified aquascape contractor. So to reach that level, we put in hundreds of ponds and a lot of review from the certification company, and it is a craft, and that's why it's very important to get an actual pond builder versus someone that's just a contractor. Now, we have a contracting license also, but being a pond builder entails specializing in that craft, and that's what we do. Also, we put in hardscape, in softscape, plantings, irrigation, fencing, everything around the pond. We have a contractor's license in California, so we are able to install the entire backyard. If this is something you're interested in, give us a call.